I was discussing about Kujadosham. So Kujadosham, I told you that Kuja's position. Kuja is called Angaraka, Mars, also called Angaraka, Mars, Kuja. Okay, Mars in English, Kuja, Angaraka, somewhat languages. Okay, so Kujadosham in chart, if Kuja is placed in positions, as I told you that 1, 4, 7, 8, 12. Okay, Kujadosham. Kuja Dosham will also be considered calculated from Lagna, from Chandra 50%, from Sukra 25%. So in apps and software, what happened? They will they will they will calculate and they will say that Kujadosha is there. But the corrections, if Kujadosha is corrected and different issues, okay, because some stars has no any Kujadosham, some rasis, some lagnas like Simha Lagnam, Karkataka Lagnam is no any Kujadosham, Simha Rasi and Karkataka Rasi has no Kujadosha. If Guru Shukra is in Lagnam, Guru Shukra both are your acharyas, okay. So Guru and Shukra, if they are in the where Lagnam no Kujadosham, if the Guru Shukra is in 7th Vivasthanam, so then no, like so many combinations are there. So many combinations, exemptions for Kujadosham. If Kuja is in Makarasthanam, okay, Makarasthanam is where if Kuja from Mesham, this is Makaram, 10th Makaram. But Lagna from Lagna, that is counted some different, okay. Makaram, if Kuja is in Makara, Uchasthiti, exalted position. And Kuja is in Swakshetram. What is the Kuja? Mesha Vrishchika Rasulu, Kujaniki, Kujagrahaniki Swanta Rasulu. Mesha Vrishchika Rasi means 1 and 8. 1 is Mesha Rasi, 8 is what? Vrishchika Rasi. These both are Swanta Rasulu for Kuja planet. So if Kuja is positioned in Swanta Rasi, that is what Mesha, either Mesha or Vrishchikam, so there is no any Kujadosham. If Kuja is in Makaram, 10th Capricorn, there is no any Kujadosham. If Kuja is in exalted, debilitated position in Makaram, Karkatakam, 4, Cancer, Karkatakam is the debilitated, means Nicha Sthiti. So like that Kujadosha will be cancelled. But in that apps, what happen? In that apps, they will not say. Okay. They will business model 25% Kujadosha is pending. For Gal 30% Manglik they are. Like that they will mislead you, misguide you. So many issues are there like that, okay. Kujadosham. So that Kujadosham, while you are considering Kujadosham as an astrologer, you need to go into deep and don't fear the parents, okay. Don't give such a suggestion that sir Kujadosha is there, so Kujadosham, then after Ravi, that is what people paid, Banyan, not people paid, and marry with that people paid. So that all are stupid nonsense matters, okay. Kujadosha is there, exemption is there, so that Kujadosha cancelled. So many in that astrology given by that is Parasar, that Parashar says Muni, he has mentioned so many exemptions for Kujadosha. Nowadays Kujadosha is the main factor which fears the parents. It is so scaring, okay, topic. So don't fear to that Kujadosha, okay. So many exemptions are there, so Kujadosha will be cancelled. So one point, see, Ashtaganukota points, then Kujadosham, Kala Sarpadosham. Kala Sarpadosham, generally what happens in the chart, if the planets, how many planets we will consider? 9 planets. Out of them Rahu Ketu, they are not physical planets, okay. They are the not physical planets. Out of them, Guru, Shukra, Shani, Buddha, okay, and Surya, Chandra, like that, 7 planets are there out of Rahu Ketu. So these planets are positioned right side of Rahu Ketu, because Rahu Ketu always they will in the chart, see in the chart, Rahu Ketu, they are the default retrograde planets. Rahu Ketu is in 6th from Lagna Vrishabham, from Lagna to Ketu 6th means Tula. Positioned Ketu positioned in Tula, default retrograde. Ketu Rahu always default retrograde. So if from 6th Tula Ketu retrograde, from here count 7th position from here. Ketu 1 means Tula 1, Vrishchikam 2, Dhanasu 3, 4, Makaram 5th, Kumbham 6th, Meenam, Mesham 7th. Always Ketu Rahu will be look each other in 1 to 7. 1 to 7 means Ketu's position is 1, 7th position Rahu. If Rahu is at 7th means that is Tula, ultimately Ketu will be in Mesham. Always 1 to 7 they will aspect each other, 7th aspect in the chart, and default retrograded. So Kalasarpa dosham means if all the planets are located to either right side or left side of the Rahu Ketu, that moment it is called Kalasarpa dosham. It has so many versions are there. See this chart, one more chart I want to go for. So I was discussing Kalasarpa dosham. So as I told you that it has different versions. Means planets, they are situated position either side of right side of Rahu Ketu. As I told you that Rahu and Ketu both will aspect to each other, 7th aspect. Okay, 7th aspect. So if they are located all the planets right side and left side, that is called Kalasarpa dosham. So that one point that is to be checked. So generally what happen if Kalasarpa dosham, see all doshas has so many remedies are there. As an astrologer you need to mention the all the doshas, and you need to say the remedies also. Remedies means to go for that is what somewhere Mopi Devi Subramanya Swami Devasthanam is there, Kuch Archana, Kunkuma Puja, like that Lakshmi Narasimha Swami Kalyanam, okay, and Kandulu means what your that is your Arhar Dal, that is given to in red